Yay, working on Red Flakey again. When I lift the hood, it wants to fall on my head, so I need to change the gas springs, or gas struts as they are sometimes called, so that the hood stays nice and open and erect. I have a very hard time, difficult time not to make double entendres here, but I stop one with the vice grips and I do it on the other side as well, just because. Before removing them, I'm checking if the parts that newly arrived are correct, and these are the Fabi Bilsteins with part number 47810. I'm going to install them after I check whether they are the right size. It would be a shame to open the package if they are not correct, but they are, so here we go. First you need to get these gas spring ball joint retaining clips out, and I do that with a little screwdriver. Don't try to get your gas struts off before removing this little clip, but after you do so, protect the hinge with a block of wood, put a screwdriver behind it. This is not the best shot, but you can see what I'm doing, I guess, and get the old gas strut out. After I get that out, I clean the ball joints a little bit with some brake cleaner, because I want to install some new copper grease. I'm an old-fashioned guy. I like copper grease. Now, the new gas struts come with pre-installed grease, but I don't think it's enough, so I do a little bit extra. It just makes me feel good, you know? So, put that nice copper grease on the ball joints, open the new gas strut package and install it, and determine whether I do the two-finger technique or upper overhand, and okay, there we go. Then for the top part I need two hands, compress it a little bit, put it on, and then it's time to reinstall the old gas strut ball joint retaining clips, because the new ones actually don't come with new clips. I don't know why that is, but click, there we go. And the bottom one as well. Repeat on the other side, obviously, and look how strong it is. I don't know how many Newton meters, that's how it's calculated, but look how nice and strong these struts are. Keeps the hood open for me when I work on the rest of the engine, or for the next video, these wipers. Don't they look horrible? Red Flakey out. Catch you in the next one.